Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we have the following equation and we are required to solve by quadratic formula. And so the first step is to the number is to identify the respective value. So the number in front of x in this case is 1. B will be the coefficient of x, which is the number in front of x. In this case, negative 2 square root 3. And the value of c will be 3. And we can now substitute all these values correctly into the formula. Plus minus the square root of minus 4. A would be 1. C will be 3. And the whole thing over 2a. So I would have negative and negative will become positive. Still have to have plus or minus of the square root. In this case would be 0 over 2. And at this point, do take note that square root 0, this is a special case again. Where square root 0 is equals to 0, meaning there's only one answer. So in this particular question, we are actually looking at the final answer would then be 1.7320526 significant figures, followed by 1.3732 3 significant figures. We have come to the end of this video, so if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you and have a nice day.